checking out this Husky 15-piece Serpentine belt tool set. Right now, got it on the tensioner pulley of a big rig, basically. Well, it's a straight truck, but it's a big truck. There's plenty of room in here, so obviously this is a practical application. And if you need another bite or an extension or whatever, this can hook into there. That can go into there to give you quite a bit more reach. So on a bigger vehicle like this, it's definitely a useful product. Well, let's go see if we can find how it works in a couple other different vehicles. See what it's like trying to use it in it's a Ford F-250. Let's take a look at it in total. We've got all that, these pass-through sockets fit in there, and they fit in there snugly. So definitely a good design. It's like quality equipment. And so as far as the pass-through sockets go, you've got 13 to 18 millimeter. And then, you know, some tensioner pulleys take just drives, you know, half-inch, three-quarter drives to turn. And this is used to go in there. So that's the item in total, and it's got just takes a slight turn to get another bite on there. So let's see how it does in the F-250. The F-250, it's got the tensioner pulley on the top. I'm not actually going to loosen this by any means, but there's plenty of room here to work with, and just quite a reach advantage. So the F-250 is another practical vehicle to use this in. Now let's go check out my 2001 Honda Accord with a side mount motor. So here I am at my Accord. If you can see, I can't get down with this to get on the hex on the tensioner pulley. So in this tight side mount motor, this Husky's Serpentine belt tool is worthless. I'm better off having just a 13 millimeter wrench. So while it is practical and worthwhile to have in some applications, it's not a one-size-fits-all ordeal. And just so I've tested all aspects of it to see if it would fit inside of my Accord. Here's the crow's foot. There's just not enough space to get in there by using either the crow's foot or the pass-through socket. In conclusion, while this could be a very worthwhile tool if you're working on a multiple vehicles, you will need to be working on a vehicle that has a couple inches of clearance, because as I found out on my smaller vehicle with the side mount, there's just not enough room to get this thing around in there.